Welcome to the case study of Clever. Here I will show you how I have got $327 a day by using Clever. And I am going to show you in 3 simple steps that will lead you to get $300 a day. So first I will choose an offer from Munchai. We are very familiar with this Munchai, and let's pick a just launched offer. Yeah, so this product, let me find the JV page. Okay, so here it is. So the news builder JV page it is. Let's see the sales funnel where it is. Yeah, okay, so that is the sales funnel, quite impressive. And the JV price. So this other person behind news builder. Now let me get my Varia Plus affiliate link. So here is my affiliate link that I will use for my promotion. This other product available with the commission, you can see. So as I have already got the affiliate link, I am in the sales page now. This is the sales page of the product. So the first thing I have to do, that is the demo video you can see over here. I will download the video. I will make it a bit eye-catchy with Clever so that my customer get more attracted that what benefit they will get when they will purchase this product from me. I have already downloaded the demo video and I have edited it with some catchy headline, and you can see if the customer buy the software from me, then they can get a bonus worth almost $3,000 that I have mentioned over here. So the video demo is ready. Now I'm going to show you how I will promote the same with Clever. So this is my Clever account and I have already logged in into the account. Now I'm going to place the promotion with 2 different way, and you all know that it is a very interesting software. So in any promotion I can do it many way, but now I'm going to do it in 2 different way. The first one that I will do, that is video post first and then Autobot campaign setup. So with the particular video I will set a video post through Clever, and then I will set up a Autobot campaign with which I can get a selling point. And the second method that I am going to follow, lead import and multi-page auto campaign. First with Clever I will import the lead of all my pages, and then I will set up a multi-page auto campaign so that I can send a bulk message to all the leads that I have in my Facebook page, and it will increase the selling point of my product. And let me tell you, it will directly go to the messenger inbox, and it has 99.99% chance the user will open that message. So first I will show you how I can do that with video post. So first I will choose the video post option, and here let me tell you at first that you cannot promote any affiliate link through Facebook. So for that you need to create a landing page. So in this offer I am going to create a bonus page, and you can see I have created this bonus page and I have mentioned all the things in details and also the value of the bonus that I will provide. So I will promote this bonus page directly on Facebook. As you all know that we cannot promote any affiliate link through Facebook directly according to the terms and policy of Facebook, that we cannot use any affiliate link directly. We have to maintain a media, that is a bonus page, a landing page or a website, whatever it is. So I am using the bonus page, and I'm using the link. It is a large link, so I am going to use bit.ly shortener to make the URL short. And you can see the headline, the subheadline, and the link I have used to promote the offer. And you know that bit.ly is very professional website, and you know that we can have a very good support. So if anyone have any queries regarding this product, they can reach out to me anytime. And in all, it makes the things look professional. So I'm creating the campaign name, and I'm creating the enter message, and now I will upload the video that I have prepared. Okay, so the upload is complete. The content is ready, you can see. Let's select the page. Let's create the post. Okay, so here you can see within a few seconds the video is published. Let's visit it on Facebook. So the video is live on my page. Now I have to think how I can automatically monitor this video and how it can be profitable to me. So for that, I have to create a Autobot campaign. And here I have to configure the auto reply. So here is my post, and I have to enable the auto reply option. So first I will keep no, enable comment to reply yes, like on comment yes. So whenever anyone will comment on my video, they will get a automatic like from Clever. And now I have to configure a generic message. So campaign name, promotion content, let me okay. Now I have to put a message for comment reply. So whenever anyone will comment on my post, they will get an automated reply from me or my page on their comment, so that it can build a good relation with me and my customer. So here I go, thanks for comment. And then I will paste the link. So whenever anyone will comment on my post, they will get a reply like this. And this is for private reply, which will go to their private messenger. Nothing how powerful it is. Like we got thousands of emails every day for any promotion, and I bet you rarely open any one of them. But whenever it comes from message on Messenger, very few of us can ignore the message on Facebook. So if we got the message on Facebook, we have to open it. So let me copy the whole thing. At it is not a big, so I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so the number one campaign is completed. Now I'll show you how I can do the campaign with number two method, that is lead import and multi-page auto campaign. So in this page I have imported the particular person who are interested in internet marketing. So you can see the total lead 3.27k. So I will share a message to all of them which will hit directly on their messenger, and whenever it is directly hit on their messenger, there we got a 99.99% chance to open the message. When the open rate of normal email is 14 to 15%, and the messenger open rate is 99.99%. You can say it 100% even, though I have reduced 0.1%. So my lead import is done. Now what I am going to do, now I will go to this auto campaign option, and now I will promote it through multi-page campaign. Campaign name and the message, I have already copied it. I have already put the URL on my message, so I am not putting it in here, and I have selected the fan page. Let's create the campaign. So I am done, and here you can see the status is complete, and I have a total 3.27k lead, from which a number of 2.98k is sent the message. And let me tell you, I cannot send the message to everyone, the total 3.27k, as there is a Facebook policy that the automated reply only works when there is a communication between you and your customer within last 24 hours. So among these 3.27k, only 2.98k have messaged me in last 24 hours. So that is why it is sent to them. So guys, that is all my campaign. Thank you. Now I will get back to you whenever I will get the lead. See you. Okay, so here I am back, and now let's see what is the result. Let's see my dashboard, and here you can see the sales. I have got total 337. So after 14 and 15 hours I am getting these leads. So you can see today's result. Thank you. Get connect with Clever.